I have a big problem, guys. My truck is making a really bad squeaking noise. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer to show you what this noise is and how I'm gonna try to fix it today. You're coming with me though. Let's go.
That's a lot of damage!
That sounds terrible. I'm gonna see what I can do about getting this fixed. I'm gonna hop in the truck, go to a parts store, see what I can find, and bring you guys with me because I know how you like these little adventure videos. So let's hop into this one. The idea here is I'm gonna go to a parts store and get some kind of dry lubricant, hopefully spray that on the control arm bushings, the shock bushings, but I have a feeling the problem is gonna end up being my ball joints. I'm still running stock upper control arms with a lift, and everyone says that's a problem. It's not too bad. The angle isn't too bad, but it's definitely more severe than it would be if I was running aftermarket upper control arms. So if that's the case and my ball joints are starting to go, I'm gonna have to invest in some upper control arms before I even think about changing the ball joints, because I don't feel like wasting the money. So probably gonna do like a JBA control arm if that's the case. It was a kind of on my list of to-dos anyways, but I was kind of putting it off because I'm cheap. We just arrived at the AutoZone. We're gonna see if this place has it. There's a Harbor Freight right over there if they don't have it. I'm gonna head in here, see what they got. I will see you guys in a few. We are now going to the car wash. I want to spray everything off, make sure there's no dust, dirt, and stuff stuck in the bushing. So that's where we're gonna go now. Gonna go spray it off. Now I did this wash just not that long ago, but just to make sure, clean everything off before I start spraying it with that lubricant. You guys like this new GoPro? I think it brings a whole new perspective into the videos. We are now at the car wash. I don't hear any squeaking. Guess I'm gonna need a new windshield wiper. What?
We'll go get
It's
one.
broke.
We'll go get those.
You got any recommendations for good windshield wipers? Let me know in the comments, because I'm just gonna go to Walmart and buy a set right now. I'll change them out if you guys have a better idea. So we're at Walmart, guys, but if you want to see some like behind the scenes action and some other like random content and some cool pictures I take, check out my Instagram, modern.day. Wait, what is it?
Modern.day.biking.
Yep, what she said. It's linked below. Some more interesting things if you're into that. Am I even in the line? Oh, look at that parking. I'm so good. All right, we'll be back. I'm not taking the GoPro in the Walmart. That's weird. Windshield wipers are now acquired. I'm heading home now to do the original task of lubricating the bushings. Stop. We just made it back home, and guess what? It's now raining. Gotta love PA. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now, but oddly enough, after I spray down the truck with a pressure washer, I can hop on the side of it now and it doesn't squeak. So I don't know if it's just some dust and some bushings. I don't know. Either way, I'm gonna let it dry. I don't feel like being out here in the rain. I will see you guys as soon as it stops raining. It is now done raining. I'm gonna get underneath the truck. I'm gonna bring you guys with me as always. I'm gonna get a little bit of spraying going on. I did just hop on the side there and jump a little bit, and it's not squeaking right now. So maybe I cleaned it out a little bit when I pressure washed it because I focused really hard right on those bushings. But just in case, I'm gonna spray this on the bushings so it doesn't squeak anymore. If it does, I don't know. We'll see what I can figure out, but hopefully this fixes it for good and it doesn't come back. Unfortunately, guys, it seems like my squeak is still here, and I believe I identified it coming from the strut itself. Now, I believe the problem is these are the factory springs that come with the TRD off-road, and it's not recommended that you have the Bilstein 5100s on the max setting with these, and I think we just found out why. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and order a new set of springs and maybe take these off. Or maybe I'll do something crazy and redo the whole suspension here in the front with a better setup. Because I don't really like the 5100s on the trail anyways. We'll see. Well, that sucks, guys. I hate ending videos on a bad note, but I'm running out of daylight now and the suspension is still squeaking. I'm gonna hit the drawing board here, think about my options. Probably gonna end up either switching out the spring or switching out the whole front strut to something a little bit more performance heavy. Lots of cars driving by right now, very loud. Sorry if you can't hear me, but I'm gonna go ahead, head inside, get my tools picked back up. Still haven't put the windshield wipers on. I'm gonna have to do that before I go inside. But yeah, if you like this video, sorry it's a little goofy, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Check out this video right here. It's pretty good.